Alright guys, it's Julia, and today in this video, we are going to destroy Windows 7 Starter the fast way. So as you can see, I have this installation of Windows 7 Starter. In fact, this is on another computer that I have, and you can see it's Windows 7 Starter. There's the specs and everything if you want to look at that. So, we basically have this computer up here, which is Windows 7 Starter. It's a Toshiba laptop. It's got a broken screen, so only way I can use it is hooking it up to a second monitor, and then having a mouse and a keyboard or whatever hooked up to it, since, I can't see it, but it's really tiny, so it can be I can make it into a desktop, which is kind of cool. So, I'm going to show you the fastest way to destroy it, which I actually tried to destroy it, and Epic failed because I made a mistake, so we're going to try that again. So it wants to restart, but no, I don't want to restart right now, but we're going to move it because we're going to have it restart after we destroy it and see if it actually works. So what you're going to do is you go to the Start All Programs Accessories, go to the command prompt, right-click it, run as an administrator, and click Yes. And we're going to type command in here to destroy this operating system, which you could also search CMD or command prompt in here. But I'm also going to open regedit because I might want to do a little registry editing, just for the fun of it, because I want to destroy Windows 7 Starter because it's annoying. Supposedly, they say you can only have 3 programs open, but I think they got rid of that. I think you can have more than 3 now, but before you couldn't. But now you can, I think. But it doesn't have arrow, and arrow is kind of cool, and it stinks that there's no Windows arrow. So we're going to type the command in now, which, let me tell you, this command will literally wipe out your operating system. I'm just warning you right now. So you guys, I'm warning you, this will trash your operating system. If you type this command in Windows 7, or to be honest, in any operating system that's Windows, and an administrator command prompt, you're going to destroy it. Now, yeah, it lets you in a non-administrator command prompt, but it will not destroy the operating system. It'll still boot. So, this is what you run. These are the 2 tools to destroy this OS, but I'm pretty sure the command prompt would just do it also, so... Okay, so let's just do it. You know what? Ready, set, go! There it goes. It worked that time. So what's gonna happen? This is gonna destroy the whole operating system, and it's gonna delete every file on the hard drive. Oh, this is fun. Yeah, this is awesome. Guys, you gotta be careful. Running this command will literally destroy your whole operating system. I'm not even joking, it will trash it to where you're probably going to have to reinstall Windows. Or maybe run a repair, maybe it can fix it, but I kind of doubt it would even work, because I tried it once and it didn't, so. And if it actually did work, I think I'd be shocked. What's happening? It's still deleting, just really slow. Let's see how much space we have left. Oh god. Oh, that's nice. Now, I do have 2 because D is actually, I installed Windows 10 on here. I should have looked at the space before, but it's 102, 103. Let's just keep that minimized. Oh, there it goes, deleting all the drivers. Well, it does say it's denied, but it only will report the ones it can't delete. That's the thing about this. It'll only report the ones you actually can't delete. I wonder how long this will take to delete. Let's see. Alright, so it's currently deleting. Still 103. So my plan is after I delete this, I'm going to go in Windows 10, and I'm going to delete the whole partition. There it goes, deleting stuff in System 32. Oh, this is so funny. Wonder what it's gonna do now with itself. I don't think I want to do the registry this time. I just want to see how destructive this command is. Let me just tell you, it will not repair. This is a lot of damage. Wow. Let's see. I don't even know what it's deleting. We still haven't freed up more storage. Here's that prompt that wanted to restart. Now, if we refresh the desktop, it's going to say it can't find it. But I don't... Yeah. Yeah. We knew that was going to happen. And there's nothing on the desktop but the recycle bin now. Which is also gone. Oh my god. This is so great. Where are we? Still haven't freed up more storage. But it's still deleting. This is great. I'm gonna let it go to the end. See how long it takes. I'll probably cut out some of the part of the video, that way it's not as long. This thing is going insane. It's like deleting every single thing it can find on this computer. Let's look at our start menu. I bet there's no programs in it. It's actually got one, but the folder's empty, so... Ooh, let's go to the control panel. I bet it won't open. Still deleting. Looks like the OS is actually surprisingly still usable. Windows 7 started, there's no more rating. I don't know if that was ever there before, but I don't see any. The activation status isn't available anymore, which it was activated because I used the recovery partition to reinstall Windows. So, I have an idea. Try to use the computer while it's actually destroying it. See if it lets us, because it looks like it's actually for the most part working. Uh-oh, the index has not been calculated. If you just installed Windows, it could take a few hours. However, this computer had been installed like 2 months ago. And it looks like this finished, deleting everything it could. 103. I don't think it deleted too much, but it probably... Oh, that's bad. Probably deleted enough to make it not bootable. Yeah, I figured that was gonna happen. The stupid thing stopped recording on me. Now I'm gonna have to put this in Movie Maker. Great. Okay, well. Our damage has been done. We actually have the registry editor and it still works. But let's not delete stuff in here actually this time. Take a break from the registry. We're going to click this little prompt and say, yeah, let's restart after some changes. And look, it says it's not genuine, even though it's genuine. I don't know if you guys saw that. It said not genuine, but I know this was genuine. That was not there before. So it's like, oh, let's restart. Yeah, let's actually restart. Well, guess what? Restarting means the whole OS is destroyed and that it's no longer going to boot after restarting. It's trying to boot in Windows 10 because this was a dual boot. I kept Windows 7 on here just in case Windows 10 wasn't compatible because the product key on the bottom of this computer is worn. There's no way I can read it, so there'd be no way I could reinstall it. There's no way. I cannot read that product key, so just in case I kept Windows 7 on here, just in case Windows 10 wasn't compatible, but it was, so I was fine. Ooh, it didn't shut down right, even though it did. Is it, oh, preparing automatic repair. I never seen it say it like that. That's actually funny. I never seen it say it like that. I don't think. It like knows there's a problem and it's already gonna run a repair. We'll try to let it repair, and if this thing actually repairs, this thing is insane. I don't think it will, but you never know. It might. That would be really lame. We don't want it to repair. But it looks like we might have destroyed the recovery console anyways, because it's not working. So, oh, yeah, it is, but it looks messed up because there's no background. That is weird. There is no password, so we're going to hit... Wow, that's interesting. It actually took us to the recovery options. It didn't do startup repair. It's actually like, you know what? You pick one. Oh, I'll pick one. I'll pick the first one. Let's start with the first one. Always start with the first one. Oh my god, it actually wants to restore the computer. I didn't think this even had any restore points. Let's let it. It won't work anyways. It's gonna say can't repair, because this OS is beyond repair. I mean, look at it. It's beyond repair. I mean, black background. I mean, wow, this thing is beyond repairing itself at all. Okay, well, let's let this try to run. Right now, it's 9:04. Yeah. So, I'll come back when it says something, and I guarantee it's gonna say can't repair, and if this thing actually repairs, I'm gonna go insane, because it shouldn't. But, anyways, I'll be back. And guys, we destroyed it because it says it cannot repair, which now, it's 9:20. However, it said this about like 2 minutes ago, so like 9:18, so, took about 10 or 15 minutes to try to, probably like 15 minutes to try to repair, but it couldn't. So, let's view the details. Corrupt registry, that's really interesting because I didn't even touch the registry. You guys saw that. So, sure, I'll send it, even though there's no internet. Then if I click this, if it says the registry is corrupt, that's interesting because I didn't even touch the registry, so... Yeah, registry is corrupt. Oh, that's actually funny. Root cause found. Registry is corrupt. Repair action. System restore. Failed. Error code 0x1f. And then it says repair action. Registry rollback. Results failed. Error 0x2. It looks like the system restore took a long time, but the other one took like no time at all to try to do, so I guess it was trying to restore the whole time, but the restore failed? Yeah, I guess so. However, maybe even though it failed, maybe it was successful, so let's just see. Oh yeah, if you have a device attached, remove it and restart. We know that's not the problem. Let's try to restart and see what happens. Maybe it did work. You never know. I doubt it, though. But let's see. Because, man, it was doing that restore a long time. Like 15 minutes. So maybe it did do something. Because I heard even though it says it failed, it may... Or even though it says... Or I don't know. Sometimes it might say it failed, but it completed successfully. Or it's the other way around. It says it completed successfully, but... No, it says it failed, but actually completed. It's really weird. It's like a weird glitch. But there is no way it's going to be able to repair that. I mean, that was intense. That was like, delete every single file on the whole computer. You think it's going to recover every single file? I don't think so. See? Oh, that is so funny. It's like, oh, we're going to repair. Okay, let's see. And I don't even know how the heck it has a restore point because for one thing, I never enabled Windows Update. So, couldn't have been Windows Update. Had to have been something else. Probably an automatic one that Windows creates automatic ones. Because I checked and Windows Update was disabled on this installation completely. It actually wanted me to set it up. It was disabled. So, basically. There is that, it's probably automatic one because I had it on, so it probably just said I'm just gonna make an automatic one. So that's probably what it did. Okay, so let's see. So actually, let's see what it says. Okay, so it is Windows Update, but the funny thing is, I never did Windows updates. So let's see what this is all about. Things affected is Google Chrome, so it's gonna delete Google Chrome. But then it says it might be restored, so I don't. It's like an older version, and it might put. Or that's a newer version. It's gonna put back an older version. Is that what that's saying? Oh, it says Windows Update information is not available, so it's not going to tell us. I bet you anything it won't let us restore. But actually, it is. Okay, that's weird. It's actually letting us do it. I don't understand. Before, in the other destroying video, it wouldn't even let us do it. But I think that was because I destroyed something in the registry. Well, this will at least tell us what the error code is. So I'd be very interested to know what the error code is. Because I want to look it up and see what it has to say for itself. Okay, guys, I'll be back. This will probably take another 15 minutes, but... What time is it? 9:24. Yeah. Probably. I'll be back, guys. So, yeah. Okay, so now it's finalizing the file restore, so it must be getting close. It's been about exactly 10 minutes, actually. Because it's 9:34, and it was 9:24. So, I'm guessing that's a good sign. I'm already putting the video in Movie Maker, since I'm going to be uploading this after I record it. So, alright, so I'll pause this. It's finishing the restore, which means it's just about to be done, and when it's done, it's going to give us a message saying it failed. Yeah, I already know that. I already know it's going to say that, so let's see the epic fail about now. Here we go, we're about to see it, we're about to see it, we're about to see it. Let's see the fail, come on. Because I want to say epic fail. Please say it failed. I actually wanted to say that. Yes! It failed! Woo! Oh, what kind of error is this? It didn't complete successfully. The files and sites are not changed. Details, here we go. System restore failed while restoring the registry from the restore point. An unspecified error occurred during system restore. There's the error code. Oh, that's funny. It failed restoring the registry? What is that all about? What's it mean it failed restoring the registry? I have no idea. But you know what? Why would I want to run another one? You know what? And why did it say what's recovery? Because we already know what that is. I should have clicked on that. That would have been funny. Okay. You know what we're going to do? We're going to go in Windows 10 and locate the registry files of 7. Let's do this. Okay, so we're in Windows 10, so let's locate in the Windows 7 drive. Is this it? Oh, this is pretty funny. System 32. Config. It may not let us in there because we're not in 7. Oh, it did. These are where the registries are. Default, SAM, security, software system. Is that all of them? I feel like there'd be another one. Here's the registry backup. Oh yeah, we can have access to that. They're all the same. But let's try something. Let's try that, just for the fun of it. Let's see if we can get Windows 7 now. Alright, here we go. If this actually boots, I think I'm gonna freak out and fall out of my chair because, like, what? Like, seriously? Apparently in the restore point I had a corrupt registry, so I don't know how that happened, but I just replaced it with the backup. Oh my god, that's new. No, yeah, I knew that was gonna do that. Yeah, guys, it's unrepairable even if I replace the registry files, so... You know what? I bet it already did that. In fact, I'm gonna look at the dates of the files on both of those folders, like back in the video. If they're exactly the same, then it tried to replace it because it did say registry backup. I don't know, it was weird. So, I guess it already tried that. I'll leave a caption right about now if it did or not, if it's the same. Because I'm gonna look at the video. But if it's the same, wow. That's great. That's just great. Yeah, that's how you fix a registry if it's corrupted. It gets them from there. I don't think I've ever had Windows actually go in there and get the registries. I think it does when it's corrupted. It'll go in and replace it with those files in that folder. Okay, I don't want to do any of these options. In fact, I want to shut down. Or no, let's not shut down. Let's actually restart. And delete the partition out of Windows 7. Oh, this is going to be funny. But actually, I do want to try one more time to see if Star Prepare will do anything just for the fun of it, but probably not, so... I know one thing, Star Prepare won't do crap, and if it actually wants to restore again, I'm not gonna do it this time because it takes like 15 minutes and it doesn't do crap. So, hopefully it won't try to do that this time, because if it does, I'm gonna hit cancel and not let it do it. Because what's the point if it doesn't work? So, yeah, figured it's not going to. Good, because it doesn't work anyways. So if I view the details, let's see if it's a different one. Registry is corrupt. That's the old log. That's really weird. It's not even doing the new log. Oh, there it is. Yeah, right here. Root cause found. Registry is corrupt. But it didn't want to do anything probably because it doesn't have a fix for it since the restore failed and the other thing failed. So, yeah, it's not going to do that. So, time to delete the whole partition to gain space back in Windows 10. So, here we go. Okay, guys, this is how another way how to destroy Windows 7, which I would not consider this destroying it because it's just deleting it, but anyways, yeah, this is how you delete Windows 7 if you have a dual boot and you want to get rid of it. Which I won't do that on my computer because I don't want to delete Windows 7 on mine because it works great. Windows 10 is slow right now. Probably because it just... Why don't I go to Device Manager? What the heck? I don't know. I'll just X out of it. Okay, but anyways... Yeah, I don't want Device Manager. Okay. I don't want that. Okay. Disk management. Here's one way to free up your space. Delete one of the partitions. Alright. Come on. Alright. It's this one. Yeah. Please delete. Now we need to take this one. Why can't we extend the volume, though? Help? Somebody help? Why can't I do that? Oh my god. Sam, what is this? Well, it looks like I can't extend the volume, so that's lame. That's 100 space of nothing, so If you guys know how to fix that, please tell me, because that's lame. I want to be able to use that space for Windows 10. And if I can't figure it out, I might have to reinstall Windows 10 because I need to have that figured out. So I might have to reinstall it. But I guess thanks for watching this, destroying and me trying to repair it, even though I'm going to delete it anyways. And I guess bye-bye for now.